Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about without downtime, without making your EC2 app or EC2 instance, without making downtime, how we can increase or resize our disk or device volume. Okay guys, so today agenda is like I will show you how we can create a EC2 instance, and then I will show you if I want to increase the EBS volume without making down or stop EC2 instance, then how we can do. Okay guys, so let's me show you that how we can do. So I am already logged in this AWS console. This is my Virginia region. Let's go to here and launch EC2 instance here. Let me first launch one EC2 instance. Okay, so demo EBS, something like that. Okay, and let's select default as it is here, and let's select the key pair cloud tech, and let's select the security group also. And here I am giving default size of that EBS, whatever it is there, 8 gig. Okay, let's keep this one, and we are going to increase this up to also one more thing guys, keep in mind features eligible, right? Up to 30 GB only you can create, general purpose or mainstream. So this point keep in mind. If you go beyond that, then you have to charge also. Okay guys, so default is 8 gig. Okay, let's keep this one, and in our next we'll increase the 8 to 10 or 12, then we'll see how we can do. Okay guys, so let me do that. And now demo is just now deployed, so let me log in this, or else do one thing guys, I will stop this, and I will change that this one, what I can say, this user data also, to launch one static web application, and that application I will try to ping also. Okay guys, so this is stop, and now let's go to that instance settings and edit user data, and I am going to edit that user data. Okay, so let me, I have already here one user data, so text. Okay, okay, so this is now saved. Now let's start again. Okay, so now to start again, it will take few seconds to come up again. So let me, not yet came here, it's in pending state. Okay guys, so here I am just launch one web application, like your own if you would like to apply your web application, right? Then how we can do, so that is how we can do. By user data, I just static web application I deployed, so that I can see this website is getting down or not while I am increasing the volume. Okay, so now it is running. Let me check. Let me, since it is a not HTTPS, so let me check. It's running. What we can do, let me, from another system, right, just try to ping this IP. Okay, so what is IP address? Yeah, now ping also started coming. Okay guys, so 233 server is ready. Ping also start coming, because that this one was installing, right? So maybe it was taking time. So let me do one thing. Let me check this. CD here, then www HTML is there. Check the status of this server. Is it running or not? It's running. So it should. Let me try again. So this application is launched. Okay guys, so what I am going to do now, let's this IP address I will ping, and this website also it is running mode here, and this IP I am pinging from another machine. Okay, so now we'll do increase that volume here. Okay, let's see how it is behave. Okay guys, so one by one, so let's go to here, and here the EBS volume. So let's go to this particular EBS volume. Okay, sorry, this is the security storage. Let's go to the storage, EBS, and result go to the storage, and this is the EBS volume. So let me open this one, and better to give some name, demo EBS. And while you are increasing, right, if you feel like if anything goes wrong, you want to restore back, right, then I will request you guys take the backup first, create the snapshot, and then do that modification, all these things, right. That will be one recommendation for you guys, like take the snapshot and do that. Just click here snapshot, then it will take automatically for you snapshot, just for safer side. If you want to save, like if anything while you are doing modification your volume, right, if anything goes wrong, right, so better to have this backup, so that it will be one safer side. Now let's see how we can increase this. Let's click this EBS and go to that modify volume option is there, right. So now here it is a 8 GB, so let me increase to 12. Okay, and before that let me show you that df minus h, what could be the size here. Now size, if you see here, 8 gig only, right. This xvideo on there is 8 gig only. Okay, so now let's go to increase to 12. Okay, now let's modify here. So while you are modifying, it will ask some confirmation, like you have to do like extend that file system. And for Linux and Windows, what could be the solution for extending that? This is the document is provided here. By using this document only, I have prepared some of the comments, so I will give those link to this video description, or I will give those comment also. Okay guys, so let's modify here. Now 8 to it should be become 12, so it will take few seconds to complete. So now it is in modifying state, so let me complete. Okay, so meantime let's what we can do, let me check that again, does those sizes came or not. So still it is 8 gig, and here also it is 8 gig. Okay, so or else we can check that file type also, what kind of file is there. Okay, so by using that list of device type, or okay, that also is possible. So just type this command, it will show you that how many partition you have here, like total 3 partition we have. So root partition is xvda1, this is the root, slash is there, right. So you can say like it is a root, and remaining other partition also there. So now we are going to add this root volume only, that whatever data, that slash part, right, we will give our command slash also. Okay guys, so let me, now if you check here disk size, now disk size got increased here. If you see here 12 gig, right, but earlier now it is a 12 gig, but still xvda is 8 GB only. Okay guys, so disk size got increased, but partition not yet added, right. So how we can, now one more thing before that, we need to check the file type also, or before like add this grow the partition, right, we have to check that file type also, what kind of file is there. So that command is this one. So here if you check the file type like xfs, and for this particular partition. Okay guys, so now we are going to increase this one. So before that what we can do, so let's take this command, and which partition you would like to see. This is our dev xvda, so full path you have to give, and which, and then okay, some permission issue, because we need to, let's switch to super user, and then type here, and partition we are going to do one. Okay, so let's see, now partition got changed here, size is become this one. Okay guys, now let's try to see here, try to see here. So now also it is in this xpd, and no size increment, I hope. df minus h, see here, this is the 8 gig only, still this is not yet updated also here. And let me just see here, list of partition, Here also partition also, now partition is updated since we have merged the partition, right, from 12 gig to 12 gig, but the file system still it is in 8 gig only. So what we need to do now, we need to extend the file system as well. So since our file system type we have already checked XFS, so this is the command we can check by using this. So let me just now type. So for, there are different kind of file system, guys. So one is the XFS and other one is like ext4, right? And how we can extend this file system to root directory, basically we are using that XFS, this tool, and this tool is by default generally used to install. If it is not installed or not, you can check by this command that rpm, this command I will give that command in this video description. So rpm minus qa, command spelling mistake, guys, grep minus qa grep. So this is not there. Okay, let me try this thing. So now it is changed. Okay, so let me do one thing. Okay, now let's see tf. Now if you see our right, it is also increased to 2 TB, but in meantime we are doing this all under, right? But if you see here, ping also not disabled, it is continuous pinging. And if you see our website also, it is still running. We are increasing, but there is no downtime, it is still running. And if it is a downtime, right, then this ping will get disconnect, right, some packet drop will come, right, but it is not coming. So by this way we can say like there is a no issue to instance, and manually also we are not stop anything. So if you go issue to instance here, go to the issue to dashboard and instance, and it is still in running mode only, if you see, right. And if you check the now the storage here, so now storage is, let me show you that. And storage also now it is 12 TB volume. Okay, guys, so this is how with the zero downtime we can if you want to resize your EBS volume, we can do by using this. And I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you feel this video is valuable to you guys, then I will request you guys, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, that will really inspire to me. We'll see you guys in my next session. Chalo, bye.